Are you ready to discover some of the best Amazon finds and must-have kitchen gadgets that will completely change the way you cook? From clever tools that save you time to smart solutions for a more organized kitchen, we found the top kitchen essentials you didn't know you needed. These incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets are perfect for upgrading your cooking space and making meal prep a breeze. And don't worry, all the product links are in the description, so you can check them out easily. Centrifugal Juicer Machine. This is the centrifugal juicer machine, a fantastic appliance designed to make fresh, healthy juice in seconds. It has a powerful motor and an extra-wide 3-inch feed chute, so you can easily drop in whole fruits and vegetables without a lot of chopping. Its simple design makes it incredibly easy to use and clean, which is a huge bonus. Made with food-grade stainless steel, this juicer is built to last and ensures your juice is always pure and safe to drink. The non-slip feet keep it stable on your counter while in use, and the included cleaning brush helps you get it spotless in no time. With this juicer, you can enjoy delicious, nutrient-rich beverages right at home. Olive oil dispenser bottle. This is an olive oil dispenser bottle with a pump, a smart kitchen gadget for precise and mess-free cooking. Forget about pouring too much oil. This dispenser lets you measure out the perfect amount every time with its built-in pump and measuring lid. The clear glass bottle allows you to see exactly how much is left, and the sleek design looks great on any countertop. It's not just for olive oil. You can use it for vinegar, soy sauce, or any other liquid you use frequently. This dispenser is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking and wants more control over their ingredients. It helps you save money by preventing waste and keeps your kitchen clean from oily spills. It's a simple tool that delivers big results, making it a great addition to your kitchen gadgets. Double hot plate. This is a double hot plate, a portable and versatile cooking solution for small spaces or when you need an extra burner. Made from durable stainless steel, this electric cast iron cooktop features 2 separate burners with individual temperature controls, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, giving you excellent control for simmering, frying, or boiling. It's perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, offices, or as a backup for outdoor cooking. The compact size makes it easy to store away when not in use, whether you're making a quick meal, hosting a gathering, or just need a little extra cooking space. This double hot plate is a reliable and efficient choice. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. This is a crock-pot electric lunchbox, a portable food warmer that makes it easy to enjoy a hot, homemade meal on the go. Say goodbye to cold sandwiches and unhealthy takeout. This compact and stylish lunchbox is perfect for the office, travel, or any outing. Just plug it in, and it will gently heat your food to the perfect temperature. The removable inner container is easy to clean, and the secure lid prevents any spills. It's a convenient and healthy way to enjoy your favorite meals wherever you are. This electric lunchbox is a great gift for students, busy professionals, or anyone who wants to save money and eat better. It's a simple solution for a warm and satisfying lunch, no matter where your day takes you. Magnetic Knife Block. This is a magnetic knife block, a stylish and functional way to store and display your kitchen knives. Unlike traditional knife blocks that can hide germs and dull your blades, this magnetic holder keeps your knives visible, organized, and sharp. The powerful magnet securely holds multiple knives, making it easy to grab the one you need. Its sleek, modern design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. This stand is also great for keeping sharp objects out of reach from children. It's not just for knives. You can also use it for scissors, steel tongs, or other metal utensils. Large Air Fryer Oven. This is a large air fryer oven combo, a multifunctional appliance that brings a whole new level of convenience to your cooking. This large-capacity air fryer is perfect for families, offering a window so you can watch your food as it cooks to a crispy golden brown. It can do so much more than just air fry. It also roasts, bakes, and even dehydrates with its included racks. The rotisserie function is a fantastic feature for cooking delicious, juicy chicken or other meats. This appliance helps you create healthier meals with little to no oil, giving you that fried texture you love without the guilt. It's a versatile and powerful tool that can replace several other kitchen appliances, making it a valuable addition to any home kitchen. Rice dispenser and storage container. This rice dispenser and storage container is a great solution for keeping your rice, grains, and dry foods fresh, sealed, and organized. It's designed to be moisture-proof, keeping your food safe from pests and humidity. The smart, easy-to-use dispenser mechanism dispenses a precise amount at the press of a button. Its transparent design lets you see when you're running low, and the included measuring cup makes meal prep simple and accurate. Perfect for anyone who buys rice in bulk or wants a tidy pantry. It's not just for rice. It can also store flour, sugar, beans, or cereal. This dispenser is a simple yet effective tool that helps keep your kitchen clean, organized, and your food fresh for longer. Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. This is a Hamilton Beach sandwich maker, a gadget that lets you make 2 delicious, customized breakfast sandwiches in just 5 minutes. It's super simple to use. Just layer your bread, cheese, egg, and meat, close the lid, and let the machine do the rest. The non-stick surfaces and removable rings make cleanup a breeze. This is perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick, hot, and satisfying meal. You can use your favorite ingredients to create a unique sandwich every time, from a classic egg and sausage to a vegetarian option with spinach and cheese. This handy gadget is a huge time saver and a great way to start your day with a warm, homemade breakfast. It's a must-have for anyone who loves breakfast food but is always in a hurry. Magic Bullet Blender. This is a Magic Bullet blender, a small but incredibly powerful blender that's perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and sauces in seconds. This 11-piece set comes with everything you need to chop, mix, blend, whip, and grind. Its compact size means it won't take up much counter space, and the cups double as travel mugs so you can blend and go. The sharp stainless steel blades and powerful motor easily break down ice and tough ingredients, giving you a smooth and consistent result every time. It's easy to clean, and the cups are dishwasher safe. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, a quick salad dressing, or grinding coffee beans, the Magic Bullet is a versatile and convenient kitchen tool that makes life in the kitchen a whole lot easier. Famiware Plates and Bowls Set. This is a Famiware Plates and Bowls set, a beautiful and elegant dinnerware collection that will elevate your dining experience. The set includes 12 pieces, perfect for a family of 4, featuring a unique, speckled, Milky Way design that adds a touch of sophistication to any table setting. The durable stoneware material is dishwasher and microwave safe, making it practical for everyday use. The pieces are well made and sturdy, with a nice weight and feel to them. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet meal at home, this set adds style and class to your kitchen. Ninja Air Fryer. This is the Ninja Air Fryer, a compact and powerful kitchen tool that uses hot air to cook your favorite foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. It's designed to give you a crispy, golden finish on all your meals, from fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and snacks. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are incredibly easy to clean, and the simple one-touch controls make cooking effortless. This air fryer is perfect for singles or small families, and its compact size saves valuable counter space.